Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to separate numbers from text in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see alphanumeric text, you see numbers, then you see text, again you see number, again you see text, again you see number. So this is our format. If you have text on left position and a number on right position, then you can use right or left formula, or you can use flash fill. But in our scenario, text between the number and number between the text. So we are going to extract number and text. Now select cell, and then we are going to add formula. Now write equal, then write text join. So we are using text join. Now you see, now add inverted comma 2 times first and second time. Now add comma 2 times first and second. Now you see example and format. Now we are going to add reject extract. Now you see reject extract, extract substring of text based on the provided regex pattern. Now select your column or cell. So we select A3. Now add comma. Now add inverted comma again. Now add slash. Now add small d for number. Now close inverted comma. Now add comma again. Now add 1. Now close bracket. Again close bracket. And then press enter. Now you see number extract from alphanumeric 1 2 3 3 4 3 3 3 9, and you will find both formula in video description or in comment section. So we are using small d. Now we are going to extract text. So we are going to paste formula. Now paste. So we edit formula. Now you see text join, inverted comma 2 times comma, reject extract, and then you see cell A3. Then you see we are using capital D for text and small d for number. Then you see plus, inverted comma close, comma 1, bracket close, press enter. Now you see text extract from this value GFT web. Now you see, and you will find both formula in video description or in comment section. Now we are going to add some more text. Now you see auto updated. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.